Hi Sky, welcome to Thursday College. Today is the last clip of the video in the Microsoft Word series. Okay, the topic that gonna cover today is about how to do table of contents, the list of the figure, and then how can we do bibliography or we call reference. Okay, let's enjoy the video. Hello, this is the video clip to show you the Microsoft Word topic, and then today we're gonna have the last three topic that is quite important นะครับ that is table of content, list of figure and reference. However, this one you need to pass the previous video clip that we do the star, we do the table and figure นะครับ actually the figure นะครับ that we have the figure number, okay, and then the one that you're supposed to do is citation นะครับ if you didn't do these three topic นะครับ that is the style, that is the figure and then the citation, maybe this topic is no use นะครับ okay, so we go back to the Microsoft Word file that we are doing นะครับ so I want the empty page นะครับ the empty page. So if you study with me you gonna know that if you want the empty page you just do the page break นะครับ and then in this page I don't want the header and footer นะครับ so I just go to the layout and then I set the insert the section break next page, something like this one นะครับ so I think maybe I have one more page break นะครับ so maybe I just delete it. Okay, here we are. I just make it center. Okay, so this one is the header, so I unlink header and then I unlink the footer. Okay, and then when I go to this one it's not linked anymore, so I just delete everything. Okay, I delete everything นะครับ so this one I want to put table of content. So how can you put table of content? You cannot put table of content if you did not prepare นะครับ okay, okay, just make the empty place here. So this one I make the style to become title, I make the introduction to become the heading นะฮะ introduction. Okay, I click introduction and then it's supposed to be heading. Heading นะครับ is the one that's gonna appear in the table of content. So I just come to here and then I go to the reference and then set table of content นะครับ so you can have the style นะครับ maybe table of contents, the classic temporary นะครับ something like this one. So I just set maybe the classic one and then that's it. And then at this moment you can make the font size on the top of your here นะครับ okay, so that's it. Yeah, very simple because you do the style already นะครับ so on of this one is the automatically generated นะฮะ you didn't need to do anything but something wrong. Why I said something wrong? Something wrong because Kun Wendy Shia, Appalachian State University is the author name, right? The author name of Professor Wendy may not need to no need to be in the table of content นะครับ so when you come to here you find out that Professor Wendy name is in the heading 2, right? So maybe because it is the heading 2, right? So I just want to remove this one from table of contents, so I just change back to my body and then I just make the color my by cell นี่นะฮะ something like this. Okay, so when I make the color นะครับ and then I go back to see table of content, I can click the right mouse button in here นะฮะ okay, maybe in this button and then I click update table and then I said update the entire table and then I click OK. So her name is gone นะครับ so this one is mean the way for you to adjust the introduction idol, the concept of AKB48. So if you put some more นะฮะ some more header or you change the font, change the page นะครับ okay, so let's check whether I have any place to put more header or not. Maybe no more header. The concept of AKB48, maybe single and then I put the header heading 1 and then I adjust the concept of BNK48 right so maybe I just put one more page break here insert and then page break page break okay so and then when I come back if I adjust the table I adjust the table by I just set update if I set update only page number they're gonna just update page number but if I set something like update the table and then put the entire table you're gonna see AKB48 single come something like this and then you can put more so by using this concept you can know so I go to very end this one we have AKB48 single and I just want to put something before the end of the document maybe in here okay here and then I put the reference I think maybe I set the format to become my body first okay and then here I go to the reference and then I can insert something like the insert the table of figure in hereนี่table of figure and then click OK but when I put I just have only one table so they just look very weird like oh this one is the table I want the table of figure this one is table I'm sorry it must be the figure but we can have the table as well however they did not put the caption for you in here so you may need to type the word table you may need to put table of tables and here table of figure by yourself okay here set this one to become my body and then center this one I am here and then set center so you need to do it they generate automatically for you but the name you need to do it by yourself and then the last one is for the citation that you do so you go to reference and then set insert citation bibliography in here okay so you just click bibliography and then they can list down like the reference okay so sometimes you can call reference so this one is gonna be the list of the research paper you sign with so this one gonna make this is the one you put in the database from the previous video clip okay so this one gonna make your work looking very good and then if you go back to the table of content and then try to update you're gonna see update the entire table you're gonna see bibliography okay so this one is the way for you to make the automatic of everything so I think that is for this video clip okay and then that is for my Microsoft Word video series okay if you want me to improve anything or if you want any topic you can just make the comment to the video okay so I hope to have another software to have a class to you okay so thank you for your attention and see you again for the next occasion bye bye